Today we're going to learn to find the perimeter of composite shapes. The learning intention. You're learning to find the perimeter of composite shapes. To be successful, you need to find the length of the unknown sides using the information in the question. You need to then add all the lengths of the sides. Then you need to check that the measurements you give is in the same unit as the question. And like when we were doing perimeter, you need to also make sure that the measurements are in the same units. If they are different, make sure you convert them so the units are the same before adding the sides. Let's just remind you of the definition of perimeter. So perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. It is calculated by adding the lengths of all the sides together. Here we have a composite shape. This is the outside of the composite shape. You can see that this shape has many sides. Our first example. Here we have a composite shape. This example is quite simple as we are given the lengths of every single side. So all we need to do is add all these measurements together. So 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, that equals 20 centimeters. Let's do example 2. This example is a little bit more complicated. It's a little bit more complicated because there is one side that is unknown. We do not have the measurement of one side. This is the side that we don't have the measurement for. This part here. We can't just ignore it, we need to actually work it out. We are very lucky in this instance because we have a lot of information on this shape to help me work this out. So let me show you how you would do this. So to find the unknown side, which is this one where the question mark is, we need to create a number sentence. Now, you need to understand that in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this side of a rectangle is the same as this side, and this side of a rectangle is the same as this side. The lengths are the same. So if we know that this side and this side are the same, we know that 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus our question mark equals the same as the other side, which is 9 centimeters. 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus question mark equals 9 centimeters. We can add 4 plus 3, which will give us 7 centimeters, plus our question mark, which equals 9 centimeters. Now, 7 centimeters plus what number will give me 9 centimeters? We could do that by doing 9 minus 7, and we're left with 2 centimeters. So 7 centimeters plus 2 centimeters equals 9 centimeters. So our question mark then has a value of 2 centimeters. So we can now replace our question mark. Now we have all the lengths of this shape, so we can just simply add them all together to find the perimeter. So 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 9 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. That equals 34 centimeters. Let's do another example. Here we have another rectangle. We have another composite shape. But this time you can see that there are two sides that are unknown. We've got the red question mark and we also have the blue question mark. So let's find the unknown side of our red question mark. So this length and this length equals this length because opposite sides of a shape that could be a rectangle are equal. So this is a pretty simple. All you need to do is 8 centimeters plus 4 centimeters equals our question mark. 8 plus 4 is 12 centimeters. So we can now replace our red question mark with 12 centimeters. Now let's find the unknown side of our blue question mark. Again, this side equals this side and this side added together. So 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters equals question mark. When you add 4 plus 4, you get 8, and our unit is centimeters. So the blue question mark represents 8 centimeters. So now we can replace the blue question mark with 8 centimeters. Now we have all the sides of our rectangle, so it's a very simple process of adding them all together. 8 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. When you add those measurements together, you get 40 centimeters. Let's try another one. Here we have a composite shape, and it has sides of 3 meters, 2 meters, 4 meters, and 300 centimeters. Oh no, we have a little problem here because all of our units are in meters except for this one, which is centimeters. So the first thing that you should do before even attempting to answer this question is you need to convert our centimeters into meters. The reason I'm converting this one is because there are more meters than there are centimeters. So 300 centimeters equals 3 meters. So we can simply replace that. Now let's get started. We have side A that is unknown, and we also have side B, which is unknown. Let's first work out the length of side A. So 3 meters plus 4 meters equals side A. So A equals 4 meters plus 3 meters. When we add 4 meters plus 3 meters, we get 7 meters. So we can replace the A with 7 meters. Now let's find the unknown side B. 2 meters plus 3 meters, make sure you use the 3 meters because it's all in meters, will give you the side B. B equals 3 meters plus 2 meters. 3 plus 2 equals 5, remembering not to forget our unit, which is meters. So we can replace the letter B with 5 meters. Now we can do the perimeter of this shape by adding up all the sides on the outside. Perimeter equals 3 meters plus 2 meters plus 4 meters plus 3 meters plus 7 meters plus 5 meters. When you add all of those measurements together, you get 24 meters. So the perimeter of this shape is 24 meters. We're going to do an activity. Your activity is you need to complete the online Canvas quiz perimeter to show your understanding. Happy finding the perimeter of composite sides. Good luck!